Hi Primary 7, it's Miss Faulkner again, and now we are going to be looking at the next part of our shape revision, which is looking at describing shapes using some specific vocabulary and also looking at 3D shapes and the nets or the different parts of shapes that we put together to make them up. Remember, you can pause and replay the videos at any point to help you with the tasks that have been assigned to you today. But first of all, let's have a quick recap of specific shape vocabulary. So it's really important when we are working at second level that we are using the correct vocabulary when we are describing the shapes. So 3D shapes can be described in three ways. We have faces, which are the sides of the shape. We have vertices, which are the corners of the shape, and we have edges, and that is the point where the faces meet. So I think it's really important to remember that when we are looking at the next couple of shapes that are going to appear for us to describe. So on the next couple of slides, Primary 7, we would like you first of all to name the net that shape makes. So what 3D shape does that net make? And then once you have figured out what the name of the shape is, we would like you to describe it using the vocabulary you've just learned. So we would like you to tell us how many vertices, how many edges, and how many faces each 3D shape that you are about to see has. Good luck! Remember, we are also looking for you to be describing the vertices, the edges, and the faces of the 3D shape. Here's another one that shouldn't be too tricky for you, Primary 7. What 3D shape makes this net? And also remember to tell us how many edges, vertices, and faces the shape has. Think that one was a little bit tricky. How about this one, Primary 7? Remember, we are looking for the name of the 3D shape that the net makes, and we're looking for you then to describe the 3D shape. How many edges, vertices, and faces does it have? Good luck! Now, this next one, Primary 7, is a fairly familiar one. It does have a very technical name, and I will be really, really disappointed if anyone names it a Toblerone. Good luck! Again, this is another familiar one, Primary 7. You will probably have this 3D shape in your house in some form of another. It is really important to remember that it also has a very specific 3D shape name and is not to be called a box. Good luck! We're almost there, Primary 7. Keep going. Here's an easy one. This shouldn't take you too long. Remember, I'm also looking for you to tell me how many vertices, how many edges, and how many faces the shape has. Good luck. The easiest one that I think you are going to find today, Primary 7. Which one is this? Another fairly easy one for you, Primary 7. Remember though, we are looking for you to describe the 3D shape that the net makes as well. So we're looking for how many vertices, faces and edges is in the 3D shape. Hope you find that useful to refresh your memory of 3D shape and nets for you, Primary 7. It would be really good if you could send some photographs of any 3D objects that you can see around your house and that you have been able to describe using the vocabulary vertices, edges, and faces. Enjoy, Primary 7. Speak to you soon.